This is a little picture of Pito being ridiculously good. He's just in the rocker, rocking. How's it going, Pito? What you looking at? Oh, he just looks at stuff. Blurry baby. Buzzing fuzz. Yeah, looking up here. Oh, look at that. Pito's gonna have a little look at the camera. How are you, Pito? Oh, I'm so good. I'm a really good baby. I'm so good. What do you think, Pito? Hello. Hi. What's up there? I'm still rocking a little bit. Good job, little baby. We don't think that he liked being stopped.